Hello, I'm Miss Amy from the Pearl River Library, and I have this week's Children's Take-Home Craft. We will be making a fall gnome. This is a quick and easy craft. You are going to get a scene with the gnome's body. You are going to get the gnome's face and his very tall hat and a leaf. So the first thing you need to do is color the background, and I did that already just to save a little time. You can use markers, crayons, pencils, anything you have in the house. And I am going to finish his outfit. Although I was thinking I might make this a girl gnome and not a boy gnome. Just switch it up a little. Because I'm sure if gnomes existed, there would be all kinds, right? All right. I think I'm gonna give this gnome some pink pants. What do you think? Pink pants are pretty cool. Black shoes and pink pants. And I think I'm gonna give this gnome a purple jacket. And what I like about mixing crayons and markers is crayons, if you go very light, you can change the shade of your color. So I'm going to make it light purple so I can give it some stripes over that. How's that sound? This gnome is a fashion plate. So I've colored the gnome's shoes, black, pink pants, purple jacket, and now I think I would like to give this gnome some stripes. Let's do vertical stripes. Vertical stripes. Let's see. You know what? I don't think I like this, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to change this from vertical to, can anybody guess? Plaid. Look at me. Didn't know I was so crafty, did ya? I love a plaid jacket. There you go. There's that plaid jacket. All right, so that part is done. Now I am going to color the gnome's hat. So let's stick with our colors. And I'm gonna do with the light purple over the hat. I'm gonna do it very gently so it's not too overpowering over the design I'm gonna make. Because again, I'm very crafty. Make a design. I bet you could make a cool design. You could create any pattern, any color combination that you want. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to that blue like I had in the jacket, and I'm going to make blue polka dots over the purple. Have I impressed you yet? I don't know. Kind of impressing myself here. I would love to see how you design your gnome. If you ever want to share your crafts, you can do it by posting them on Facebook and tagging the Pearl River Library, because we would love to see them. And I bet you don't always remember to bring them when you come to the library. I'm going to give the gnome a little pink nose. It's getting cool out there, right? And very light orange skin to make it look, just so he doesn't look so pale. All right, all done. What do you think? Fashion plate, Vogue, here we come. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your leaf upside down. The stem should be up, just like that. You don't want to cover too much of the arms. And then you're going to take your glue and you're going to put your hat over that. And now he has a beard made out of a leaf, who knew? A very cool hat, a very cool outfit, and it looks like he's going up pumpkin picking. So there's your craft. All you need is something to color, something to glue, and a little bit of imagination and creativity. So come on into the library, pick up your craft kit,